Don't worry guys, I have got you covered. I know a lot of you are dealing with that super annoying Meta AI watermark whenever you generate a video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 different methods to download your Meta AI videos completely watermark free. It doesn't matter if you're using an Android, an iPhone, or a PC. Both of these methods work 100% on any device. Plus, the second method is my absolute hidden gem and literally nobody is talking about it yet. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm logged into my Meta AI account. So let me show you how this works. And I'll just paste a random prompt here and hit submit. Meta AI gave us 4 images. Now, to turn one into a video, let's click this animate button, and there we go, our video is ready. But when I click the download button, that's where we run into a problem. The video has a watermark. To download it without that watermark, simply click on the share icon and copy the video link. Now, let's jump into method number 1. For this method, we are going to use a secret Meta AI tool that most people don't even know exists. It's called Manus AI. Search for Manus AI on Google, click the link, and log in with the exact same account you used for Meta AI. Once you are in, paste the video link you just copied. But here is the crucial step that makes this work. Right after the link, type the exact prompt, download this video without watermark, and hit enter. Manus AI will process this in the backend and give you the exact same video completely watermark free. You just download it and you're good to go. And let me show you the result. While that method works perfectly, it does take a bit of time if you have a lot of videos. So now let me show you the second method, which is even more insane because it lets you download everything at once without typing any prompts. For this second method, we are going to use a specific browser extension. And here is a secret workaround. If you are using a PC or laptop, simply open up Google Chrome. But if you are on an Android or iPhone, you are going to head to your App Store and install the Quetta browser. This is the secret that lets us use desktop extensions on mobile. Once you have that downloaded, open the app, head over to the Meta AI website, and log in with the exact same account you used to generate your videos. As you can see right here, I am already logged in. Now we need to install the tool that makes this whole automation possible. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner, select the extensions icon, and hit Install Extension. You are going to search for Video Downloader by Qooly and make sure you spell it exactly Qooly, or the right tool won't show up. Hit the install button, click OK, and just like that, our extension is successfully installed and ready to run. Now head back over to your Meta AI tab. This next step is crucial. You need to refresh the page so the tool can read it. As you can see, all of my generated videos have loaded up right here. Now let's activate the extension we just installed. Click those 3 dots again, choose the extension icon, and boom, this is where the magic happens. The extension automatically pulls up every single video you generated, and they are 100% watermark free. You can even hit play to preview them right there before downloading. To save your masterpiece, just click the 3 dots right here and hit that download button. Let's take a look at the final result. If you found this workflow helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.